You've been watching mic reviews for weeks, but of them are lying to you. I secretly bought the most popular USB microphones, have tested them in a noisy room, a quiet studio, and even outside the results, one mic destroyed the others so badly I almost returned the rest. But hey, race the twist, the most expensive one came in last. Stick with me because the pick will shock you. Starting at number 1. DJI Mic Mini. The DJI Mic Mini is a wireless microphone system that scales down the company's powerful Mic 2 in size, features, and price. The Mic Mini is simple to use, works with most phones and tablets, delivers epic battery life, and, most importantly, records clean, warm audio that you can use in the studio and beyond. Creators seeking simplicity. The DJI Mic Mini may not be as feature-rich as the company's Mic 2, but its ease of use makes up for the lack of advanced features. Whether you need to record audio to a phone, camera, or other device, the transmitter and receiver bundle works seamlessly to capture mono or stereo audio with noise reduction and backup tracks when needed. People who work long hours. The Mic Mini's transmitters can run for up to 11.5 hours on a single charge. They require 90 minutes to recharge. The receiver lasts about 10.5 hours per charge and needs 100 minutes to recharge. That's long enough to record a whole day's worth of content. Number 2. Apogee HypeMiC. The pricey Apogee HypeMiC is a few years old now, but it still deserves your attention because of its built-in analog compressor. This helps you get the most out of the microphone signal before it's converted to digital, especially if peaks are an issue. Audio professionals, if you want to achieve the best possible vocals without clipping, the HypeMic's onboard analog compressor allows you to do just that. However, if you aren't familiar with signal compression, you might want to stick to a mic that handles everything through digital signal processing. Traveling podcasters, Apogee supplies a tripod, pop filter, cables, and a carry case with the HypeMiC, making it ideal for people who take their show on the road. Also, because the microphone connects via USB, there's no need for an audio interface or bulky XLR cables. Number 3. Joby Wavo POD. The Joby Wavo POD is a powerful little microphone, featuring cardioid and omnidirectional recording modes, a built-in headphone jack, and onboard gain control. It also ships with an external pop filter that helps minimize plosives. Newbies. The Wavo POD is ideal for aspiring podcasters or streamers. It offers plenty of signal quality and setup options without significantly increasing the cost over the truly budget choices. People who value flexibility. The bottom end of the microphone has a USB-C port for connecting to a computer. Both USB-C to USB-C and USB to USB-C cables are included, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a 5/8" universal mount. The mount is a plastic adapter that can be unscrewed from the mic to reveal a 3/8" universal mount. A 1/4" universal mount can be found by unscrewing the metal base from the mic stand. Number 4. Sennheiser Profile Streaming Set. Most USB mics come with a table stand that's functional, but not very flexible. The Sennheiser Profile Streaming Set replaces the stand with a sturdy boom arm you can mount on your desk and move around any way you want. The microphone itself sounds excellent and includes several onboard controls. It's missing a pop filter, but those are cheap to add. Creators seeking an all-in-one solution. The Sennheiser Profile Streaming Set is ideal for streamers and content creators due to its emphasis on vocals. For the money, you won't find a better all-in-one solution that includes a boom arm. Those who want fine control, the microphone has onboard gain, headphone level, and mixing knobs. Few mics offer as clean a signal with this much control. Number 5. Shure MV7i. Like the MV7 before it, the Shure MV7i draws significant inspiration from the company's SM7B model, which is renowned in the music recording industry for its exceptional vocal treatment. Shure adds a second analog input to the MV7i, making 2-track recording nearly foolproof. It records at up to 24-bit/48 kHz, and is compatible with high-quality recording software for both desktop and mobile platforms. Vocalists. The MV7i retains the distinctive character of the MV7 and SM7B for vocal recordings, while also offering the convenience of a built-in pop filter, automatic gain control, and real-time noise reduction. Creators who regularly host guests, running a second mic into the MV7i allows you to manage one signal and one connection rather than two, resulting in an easier recording session with balanced sound from both inputs. This makes the MV7i a natural fit for situations when you have a guest for your podcast or a second gamer on site. That's the truth about the best USB microphones. Before you grab your wallet, the links to buy these mics are waiting for you in the description below. If this video saved you time or money, hit that like button. It really helps. Share this with a friend who's starting a podcast or YouTube channel, and subscribe for more honest gear tests. I see you in the next one.